Hi everyone, welcome back to the Canadian Traveler YouTube channel. We've got a new video here to let you see. If you're coming back, welcome back. We're glad to have you. And if it's your first time, we're glad to have you here as well. Welcome to our new subscribers that are visiting us.
Thank you.
We appreciate you coming here. For those of you that don't know us, I'm Martin.
I am Jonna.
Together we make up the Canadian Traveler YouTube channel. I lost what I was going to say. So this latest video we're posting is some dash camera footage from the front of my truck, and it's driving around the province of Alberta here in Canada, and it starts with the sunrise and it basically follows throughout my day. You know, some rainstorm and goes on into the evening. I hope you enjoy the scenery here in Alberta. It's something different to see, and we hope you enjoy visiting with us.
Enjoy the views.
Enjoy the video. So I hope you enjoyed our video. It's always fun to share our videos with you and let you see our world. If you enjoyed the video, or if you enjoy all of our videos, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget the bell notification so that you will be notified when we update a new video or upload a new video. Don't forget the like button. If you have something you'd like to comment to us, we read all of your comments and I'd love to hear from you.
Kung nagustuhan niyo po video namin, please subscribe po. Maraming salamat.